Hi, my name is Robert. This video is designed to give you step-by-step detailed instructions on completing the task at hand. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. This video, I'm going to be pulling a fog light from a Volvo 960. Part of the lower lip is already removed. Under the bumper, you will see the fog light assembly here. You got a T25 there, a T25 there, and I'm not sure if there's something up there or not. I'll go ahead and pull it and see. Look like there may be a 10 millimeter or something on the bracket up there. At the top side has two guides, one here, one over here. This one is broken. Then you got the two screws in the bottom, one here and one out of this thing that is broken, and then it unplugs and slides out. So this one is damaged. I don't know if I'll take it or not. Let me contact the person that needs it, see if he still wants it. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.